Hey, it's Manny from TeamGantt. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an entire project using AI. It does all of the heavy lifting and project outlining for you in just moments. With this AI tool, you can eliminate hours of planning and boost your project management significantly. With just a brief project description, this AI system creates a fully structured project plan in just seconds. It's quick, efficient, and designed to take the hassle out of planning so you can focus on getting things done. Now, whether you don't know what tasks your specific project entails, or you just want a detailed outline with realistic timelines to get you off the ground, this is the tool for you. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. Start by going over to the AI project plan generator by clicking on the link in the description, or going to teamgantt.com/AI project plan generator. Also, make sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe for future videos on project management. Once you get to the website, you'll find a simple input box waiting for your project description. Whether it's something straightforward like build a house, or something more specific like develop a year-long marketing strategy for my software company starting a week from now. Just type in a few words that summarize your project, then hit generate plan. In seconds, our AI generates a comprehensive project plan for you. This includes groups and tasks all thoughtfully laid out. All you have to do is download the ready to upload WBS formatted CSV file and upload it directly into TeamGantt. To do this, head on over to teamgantt.com, then sign up for a free account if you don't already have one, or sign back in if you do. Then click New Project, upload a CSV, then select the file that you generated. Once uploaded, your project is fully set up with all of the details in place and organized within your Gantt chart. From there, you can add additional tasks, dependencies, and details, as well as adjust deadlines and collaborate with your team by assigning tasks to different people. It's that simple. What used to take hours can now be done in just minutes. No more starting from scratch and no more manual task creation. The AI project plan generator is built to be seamless, giving you more time to focus on execution rather than planning. And because it integrates directly into TeamGantt, the transition from your idea to managing your project is smooth and quick. TeamGantt is a leader in the project management industry, offering robust project planning in a Gantt chart, calendar view, list view, and Kanban board view. Sign up for a free TeamGantt account today and generate your first project. As always, if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button, as well as subscribe for future videos on personal and project management. Again, my name is Manny, and I'll see you guys next time.